What's up, YouTube fam? It's Dark Angel's Journey. I am Shakira. Yes, my glorious hair is out, and no, I have not done anything with it. So, enjoy. Let me do this so I don't look like too much of a crazy lady on this vid. So, first things first, let's check the news before we start looking at this beautiful, beautiful price action. All right, so let's take a look at the calendar. It's April 15th, Wednesday. We got some stuff at 8:30 that's already gone by. Orange folder, nothing exciting after that. Yep, pretty much a very, very chill sort of day. All right, digging back into the charts, we have, look at this beautiful trending market. We've been waiting a very long time, sitting through a lot of crap to get to a trending market. The only concerns you might have now is, will they give you an opportunity to get into the trade? Yay! Anyway, so from yesterday, we did move into the 50% of the weekly wick very nicely. Actually got a nice long into that. And then now we've also taken the extreme for the daily here. We've taken that. Now we just have the previous day's high to consider. I am going to move this since we've already taken it. I'm going to just do that. And I'll leave the halfway point on the wick just to make sure I remember that it's there and I can use it moving forward. There's also this daily fair value gap right here. Let me drag this over and just make sure that I've got it properly sorted. Okay, good. So this guy, very important. We've used it, tapped it, dropped aggressively, tapped it, dropped aggressively. So once we bust a body above this thing, then, all-time highs aren't far away for us to play with. So let's duplicate this guy and drop it up here. And I'm gonna change that to, oh, it's not the all-time high. My bad. It's not. That's the all-time high. But that is a high that we can look for them to run to. Whether or not that's going to be today is a whole other question. All right. Let's drop to the 4 hour. So far, the daily candle is not inspiring any kind of excitingness from me. After we've been running very aggressively, so my general expectation for today is a move back down here to kind of recalibrate. I'm sure they're excited to take out some stops that have been sitting in places and balance the price. And since it's just been so much buying, so we'll see. Or not, it's all about what price will tell us. But right now we're at a doji of a daily candle, so there's not much to do. So on the 4 hour, so the daily, the weekly, very bullish. The 4 hour is very bullish, just sort of forming a range. And the 1 hour is absolutely sitting in a range of awesomeness. Yay. And so we don't really have a lot of excitement. So what is it, 6 a.m. we've got this 1 hour order block, which is the only one for quite some time here. And they're respecting it. So far, we are respecting the heck out of it. We're also just hanging about the midpoint of this weekly wicks midpoint. So, I would need to see them move aggressively away from here so we can continue our upward trajectory. But just remember, nothing goes up or I should say nothing goes up in perpetuity, right? They always have to come back down, rebalance, and give folks a chance to get into something. So right now we're very, very bullish, but for the moment, the 1 hour is just sort of sitting in a range. 15 minute now, it tells a different story a bit, right? Like, look at that wick. Is that 8:30? No, 7:45. That's 8:30. So we swept out here. We swept everybody who went short here. And now and we swept the lows. We swept the highs. These are typical range behaviors. So I'm not currently super excited about any of this. We do have this 15-minute fair value gap that I'm just going to pull over. So I just have it handy. And where's London? Well, I mean, near term, it'd be nice if they swept that, stayed inside of this fair value gap here, inside of this order block, and then sweep it and then aggressive move up. But right now we're in a range. It's a doji kind of day. So there's nothing for me to do until we have, the clarity that we saw yesterday. Even if we didn't get the pullback that I was hoping for yesterday, but it still it told us what it wanted to do, which is go up. And we just had to work with it until we got a nice payday out of it. All right. So for the moment, let's zoom in real good on this doji. For the moment, we are sitting in a doji. I feel bad for London. They did not get a fair shake. So we're still kind of hanging out. They've taken this extreme already. So I would be perfectly fine expecting this day to just go sideways. So I'm not forcing any trades until we get some expansion on this candle. Because, we've had 1-2 days of very big expansions. It's not weird for them to want to, cool their jets for a bit. Anyway, that's it for today, or at least for my morning prep. I am in a wait and see mode. I'm very bullish, but I need, just like with yesterday, I need perfectly clear confirmation that they're going to continue up. Anyway, be good, be safe. Shakira, out.